All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. We've got a stream. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Welcome to all of our new members that are tuning in. Welcome, guys. Super excited to have you guys. So if it's your first time here, welcome to the family, guys. As always, we do live streams every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. However, obviously we are in the holiday season, so we do have an updated schedule, which I do let all of my members know in. Welcome to the first. You get notified. That being said, guys, I'm excited to have you joining in today. We're gonna dive in a little bit and take a look at a couple pairs, guys, that we're looking at. Obviously, right now the markets are a little bit more cooled off, a little bit more slower. But either way, I want to be able to look at some opportunities for you guys, and there's still opportunities in the markets, guys. And yeah, we're just gonna wait for this video description to load up here, guys. Then I'll update it and we should be good. Awesome, guys. Welcome. Couple new members tuning in. Let's get it. Go. Here. Hope you guys are having an amazing evening, guys. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna dive in deep, guys, today. Gonna update this video description, guys. Then we'll get started shortly, okay, guys? Let's go. And all of our new members that are tuning in, guys, don't forget to also actually join in our free Telegram. We have an amazing community on there on our Telegram group, guys. Let's go, guys. Okay, so we've got GG. You should be in holidays December. Yes, I know, man. I know. But I'm still here because I know some members do appreciate the support. They do appreciate learning and looking at the charts. Obviously, it's going to be choppy, guys. I know that. But that doesn't mean we can't back test. That doesn't mean we can't look at some opportunities we may catch, guys. Waiting for this to load up and then we'll get started. Loading here, guys. Then we're gonna get started here in a second. Hello, guys. Welcome. Don't be shy, guys. If you're new to the channel, let me know in the chat box below. Introduce yourself. And yes, I know, I'm aware it's December. Right now, usually I wouldn't even be doing lives, but I'm doing lives just for you guys to help you guys out in any way possible. If you have any questions, guys, don't be shy. Comment it below. Did you guys watch the video I posted on our gold trade that we took in our live stream? Did you guys watch it? Yeah? Let me know. Let me know if you guys saw that video. Okay. Putting up. Welcome, Zahid. Let's go. Welcome to the family, my man. Let's go. Awesome, guys. We got a couple viewers tuning in. If you enjoyed these live streams, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's get it. Okay. Awesome. Up here, and then we're gonna guess. We'll take a look and see what's going on here. I'm gonna put the links here as well for our free Telegram group, guys. If you haven't joined in already, guys, okay, that is free to join. I'm gonna pin this in the top. Let's go. Welcome to all the new members. Welcome to La Familia. Okay. Awesome. That is pinned at the top. Beautiful. And then I'm just gonna put the poll here and we should be good. Welcome to our new subscribers. I see a couple new subscribers joining in. Welcome to La Familia. If you're just joining in and it's your first time, guys, don't forget to turn on your notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. Okay? Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Welcome to Joy. Welcome, Joy. Shout out to Joy. She has just subscribed to the channel. Okay, beautiful. We should be good. We got the poll there. Awesome. Okay. All right, guys, let's start. Let's take. See, we know it's December. Okay, I don't have to repeat myself. We know that the markets right now are definitely slower. Okay, and typically around this time, usually I'm on vacation. I'm taking a break. We already have our Mexico trip booked in again, but for April, I know that we just got back from there, but we really enjoyed it and had a great time, guys. But for this time, I'm just still here, guys. I don't have any plans to do anything with the New Year's or Christmas other than just spend time with family. But I also consider you guys family as well. So that's why I'm here, because I want to be able to help you guys in any way, shape, or form as possible. That's why you'll notice that I know that we're usually live Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. This is why it's important to make sure your notifications are turned on, because I am not coming in every morning. I'm only coming in sometimes in the evenings and sometimes in the mornings. And that update schedule, you'll only be aware of when you're in the free Telegram or you have your notifications turned on, okay? So what are we looking at with gold right now? Well, with gold, after a break of this upwards channel, I saw that we were... Okay, let's take a look. We were starting to shift, right? So we failed to create what? A higher high. So let's always look at the higher time frames to see where we are in the overall direction. So we know what? On the higher time frames, on the daily, we know we're at a major resistance area. It's very simple, guys, okay? We were in this downwards channel for the longest time, okay? Downwards, channel. And then now it started to shift, like I told you guys, right? After a strong move like this, okay? We can anticipate some sort of a, strong pullback here, okay? Breakout, which was a breakout out of this downwards channel, but we can anticipate some sort of an exhaustion, right? And so we can anticipate potentially gold to reject this major resistance area and potentially even come back down to maybe this mid lower at level of this range or even further down. So it could be a possibility where gold could come back down to this level, reject it, and actually come back up and start finally creating higher highs and creating an upwards momentum. Now, Does it mean that it's going to do that? We don't know. We go with what we have and we focus on current price action. That's the most important thing, right? But this is kind of what I'm personally anticipating. I feel like it will pull back. I feel like gold may actually come back down. For our down, we just don't know yet. And I think that this may be my target level area here at around, you know, the 1705 range for gold, potentially pulling back to this level if we get a break of this level structure up here, which is around the 1777. If we break the 1777, then I can anticipate gold to come down all the way around the 1730, 1732 range, which would be the bottom or entry level of this channel, right? So this could be a possibility as long as we break the structure above here at the 1777. But we need to break it with a strong momentum and a closure below this major level structure, right? So this is the daily. That's what we're looking at. We're kind of stalling out. We're failing to create a higher high, right? We could see it. Look, we were in this upward channel with gold, right? And now what are we doing now? Well, if we look at it closely, right? Look at this line here that I'm going to draw, right? We're starting to really realize that we're starting to maybe potentially form some sort of a descending wedge, could be a possibility. Or even just prices just starting to exhaust and failing to create a higher high, right? So now that we know that and we can see that, I can start seeing a shift in the market, right? So now what I want to see as a trader is I don't really see a trade opportunity just yet here on the 4-hour or even in the lower time frames. Right now, it's probably just consolidating, which is what we see. But what I want to see is definitely a break below the structure, because if it breaks below here, okay, and I need you to realize this, guys, this is the 1-hour time frame. If it breaks below this here, we can probably just target this low, because we don't know if price is going to come down like this, right? Because price could do something like where it comes down to this level here and then bounce back up, right? A lot of times traders think, oh, you know what? It just broke below this level. It's going to break down all the way further down because we got the strong momentum here. Yes, you also have to realize that price could do anything at any given time, right? And as traders, we really have to kind of look at a bigger perspective and realize, okay, what is the market trying to tell us, right? What could price potentially do? Well, we've got major levels here that we could see that in the past here, price has respected this level. Look, resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, support, support, and now potentially reject this level as a level support. So the only way I could start really looking for that extra confirmation for sells is if it actually breaks below this support level. And if it doesn't break it, then I'm not looking for sells yet, okay? So now we look at Dixie. What is the dollar telling us, right? We do have some, I don't think we have US news right now anytime soon. Let me just check here, guys. I don't think we do. Give me 1 sec. So yeah, what we have is some CAD news, some US news on Wednesday at 10 a.m. But honestly, I won't be trading around this time. For example, Friday, Thursday, this is it. That's the cutoff, guys. I'll be honest with you. Okay. And I'm here just to help you guys out as much as I can. Well, and the dollar is, that's what's gonna me do. Okay, let's go. We got a couple people joining in here. We've got Joe Grace Vlogs. Oh, that's so sweet. Invited her to join in here. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Welcome, welcome, Joy Grace. Welcome. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Smash that like button for me, guys, if you're understanding everything overall, and if you enjoy these live streams, guys. If you're new to the family, welcome to La Familia. As you guys know, yes, I'm Latino. Yes, we speak Spanish here, and obviously, you know, I'm here to support you guys every step of the way. And if you want to get to know me a little bit more, guys, go watch out my other videos. Go check them out. Also, join in our free Telegram group, guys. The link is in the chat box below. You'll get familiar with kind of the whole vibe and, you know, the whole community that we've been able to establish. And it's growing day by day, guys. And I'd love for you to be a part of it. And trust me, guys, there's a lot of value in it. And so make sure you guys join in on that free Telegram group, and also make sure you join the family, because trust me, every single day, we do come on live, and we do these live streams to help you guys as much as possible. So let's continue on, guys. Let's focus on, and let me know actually, but as I'm looking at the charts here, let me know what is your favorite pair and why. Let me know in the chat box below, what is your favorite pair that you enjoy trading, you genuinely enjoy. Just stick with one. I know it's hard sometimes, but try and stick to just one pair. If you had one pair that you would be able to trade, what is it and why? Okay, let me know in the chat box what pair that is and the reason why you choose that one. So looking at Dixie, right? So if Dixie is losing strength, right? If the dollar is weakening, we anticipate gold to gain strength, right? So if we look at gold right now, if we go back to gold, look at the indecision right now, right? This is why I'm not looking for sells for sure, right? And we could maybe see a breakout to the upside. Could be a possibility. Maybe if we break these highs, we could see a strong momentum push. And, you know, maybe this entire price action that happened here, this area was just a complete fake out. We don't know, right? So anyways, we'll reference back to that. Let's focus on our British pound pairs. What are we looking at here? We've got a lot of volatility here. It seems like it's just ranging here at this given time, but let's focus on the higher time frames, right? And the reason why we focus on the higher time frames is because it will help us give us an understanding of the overall direction, guys. Look at my arrows. So what did we see here? Well, I saw that strong momentum push. Look at this. We got that strong momentum push to the downside, right? Look at my arrows, right? Because I was looking at sells above here, right? And I'm anticipating it to potentially come back down to these lows if we sell below this level structure, right? So I need to see price break below 1.21 range. That area, I'm not looking for sells, okay? Now, mind you, for the daily, there's a lot of bearish candles, okay? Bearish candles here, 4 hours. It's gonna help. Maybe we're right. We could understand that price right now, especially right now with the market and how it is, we could just be stuck in a range. And looking at the 4-hour time frame, we could see this huge wick rejection here. We have this strong momentum push. Look at the strong momentum here, right? We have the strong momentum, and then what do we have? This is consolidation, guys. Okay, this isn't a range. This is consolidation. Okay. And so what do we look for when we're consolidating? We wait for a strong momentum breakout, to be honest. And, you know, within a range, we can trade within a range as long as it's a wide range. We can or trade the breakout. It's that simple. Okay, guys? Are you guys understanding that? Yes? Good? Good? Awesome, guys. Awesome. Perfect. A couple new members joining in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Perfect, guys. Beautiful, awesome. Yeah. Okay. So, what do we see? Well, we see this is really bearish here on the 4-hour time frame. We can anticipate a potential break. If we get a break below this level and a closure, at least I'd say on the 1-hour time frame, then we can anticipate a continuation of sells for GU, right? Let me just wait for this to load up here. Okay. But otherwise, what I just see is just a bunch of consolidation, guys. Look at this. Consolidation, right? Price is consolidating. So I don't really see a trade opportunity just yet unless we break below the sells opportunity here, unless we break below this level structure, okay? It's that simple there, okay? And if we sell below this level structure, if we see a break, then we could see something like a nice clean move to the downside. And let's see how much of a range we would have. Yeah, we've got over like 300 pips. Okay. Okay, let's move on to GJ. We did have some Japanese GJ news. So Japanese news, okay? And this is why we saw this huge melt here. Now, what were we seeing? We were seeing some sort of an ascending wedge pattern formation, okay? We look at the higher time frames, right? We were kind of like hovering above this area here. We knew that we were eventually going to either fall back into this range, which for the longest time, we were anticipating this for the longest time, or we were going to break above, but we weren't looking for buys until we actually broke above this level structure, which we failed to do multiple times. We got 1, 2, 3 times where price, in fact, even 4 times where price failed to break above this level structure. So we were maybe seeing one more leg here. This was way back in Friday. And then current price action right now, we actually broke below. So Sunday it opened up below here. So I haven't seen this pair personally right now because I haven't been looking at the charts just recently. But price ended up going down below to the bottom of this range. What are we looking at now? To be honest, right now, I'd probably stay out because with GJ right now, it could probably just consolidate after either probably touch this lower level here. And then I could see it consolidate for a little bit. And then we may see it come back up and retest these highs, okay, of the range. But we're pretty much back into this range, essentially. All right. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Welcome, welcome. Guys, can we get it to 10 likes, guys? Let's go. Let's get the live stream to 10 likes, guys. Appreciate you all very much. Let's go. Yes, we got Kunis. Let's go, Kunis. We got Laura. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We're at 7 likes. Can we get it to 10 likes? Beautiful. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. So let's continue on, guys. So, let's focus on Gbpusd. What are we looking at Gbpusd right now? On the daily, we have been kind of stuck in this consolidation, okay, for the longest time. However, this is starting to look a little bit bullish. Okay, we may see price finally start breaking above. Seems like this is an area of structure here. We can see that this is a potential resistance area. However, I do see that the weekly looks bullish. The daily looks bullish. Okay, we could anticipate a final break. So if we look at the weekly here, look at this here. This is like a neckline of this double top. Look, price is potentially breaking above, right? Could be creating a wick. You never know. But I still feel like for a weekly candle, if we kind of close or remove everything, we can see that for a weekly candle, this looks very, very bullish, right? So if this is looking like this for a weekly candle, we can anticipate a continuation of buys. And if we come up here, we can see that this is kind of like an inverted head and shoulders. Not the greatest example, but we can see that, you know, price is broken above it, right? This neckline area here, and now it's holding it as a level support. Also, where it's currently priced right now, it's touching right now, it's rejected it multiple times. If this candle closes above this level structure around here at 1.82 200 range, I'd say, if it closes bullish on for a daily, we see a strong momentum candle here, then I can anticipate a continuation of buys for British pound Australian, and we can start looking for buying opportunities, and then we can kind of narrow it down to the 4-hour time frame, kind of see what we could do. But as of right now, though, I need to see a closure above this major resistance area here. If we don't get a closure above this resistance area here, I'm not looking for buys, okay? Because it could fall back into this range. As of right now, it's still ranging though, okay? See how price? It's ranging sideways, guys, okay? That's what I'm looking at. The odd BitBoy, you looked at Nas 100? Not yet, my man. Not yet. We'll take a look at it for you, though, in a second. Awesome, guys. Beautiful, guys. We're at 9 likes. Can we get it to 10 likes? And awesome. Welcome to all of our new members that are tuning in. Welcome to the family. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. We're going to look at Euro and we're going to look at AUUSD. Then we'll focus on NASDAQ as well, guys. So we're going to go over a couple pairs here together. Let's see here. We got Euro USD. What's going on with Euro USD? Obviously, it depends a lot on the dollar, guys, right? That's going to affect what price may do here with these pairs. And it seems like I told you guys, remember I highlighted this area here? It seems like a fake out. Well, it seems like it is a fake out to the upside, because basically it came back down. Well, actually it could hold this level support, so we could see it continue to go higher from here. Actually, as long as it respects this level as a level support, we could actually see it continuing to go higher. So that could be a possibility. Let's see here. Yeah, I mean, as long as price respects this level here, we could anticipate a continuation of buys. I'm not looking for sells yet until we actually break below this level structure for Euro USD. I need to see a strong momentum push. At least I would say a candle closure below this lower level here for Euro USD at 1.05750 range. It needs to break below this level for me to start looking for selling opportunities. Otherwise, I'm not looking for sell setups, okay? We need to break below this level structure. We may see price do something like this, guys. So we need to see a strong momentum, okay? Strong momentum, guys. Wait for the retest. I need to see price reject. When it comes back up, okay, we need to see wick rejection, similar to these wick rejections like this, okay? And then we look for continuation of sells, okay? We can target this left area here. Let's see here. right over here, right? That could be TP1. Okay. That's your USD. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm looking at there for the 4-hour time frame. Again, that's the overall direction. Okay. Yeah, it's consolidating right now, obviously. Go to AUD USD as well, guys. So AUD USD, what's going on with AUD USD? Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Okay. We were in this upwards channel. Look at this. Look at my lines here, guys. Strong momentum. We broke below. Failed to create. Look at this highlighted box area that I did here. This rectangle. What? We failed to create what? A higher high. Okay. Indication number 1. Strong momentum. Okay. We got that strong momentum to the downside. Now we pulled back. However, we didn't come back up to these highs. Sometimes price does that, but it didn't this time. Okay. Now we're getting a break below. My target area here for AUD USD is all the way down here, potentially even this lower level here at 0.65 300 range. That's kind of my target area, to be honest. Maybe a little bit higher on the 0.65 700 range. Between the 700 and 300 could be a possibility for AUD USD, and this is the 4-hour time frame, so quite significant, guys. I'll be honest with you. So again, right, there's lots of clean traffic here. I could see it coming back down all the way down here. Okay, this is a good selling opportunity for AUD USD. I would just wait for price to pull back. Guys, we're at 9 likes. Can we get it to 10 likes? Welcome to all of our new members, guys. Welcome. Okay. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Cigar, hi, Kayer, Naz. Yeah, okay. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go down to like the smaller time. So where I want to see price probably like stop out, it'll probably maybe come down a little bit lower. And then yeah, we may see it retest this high or come back here and then continue to go there. Okay, what are we looking at for NASDAQ, guys? What's going on with NAS? Huh. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look at NASDAQ here, guys. NASDAQ. Wow, man. Look at this. So we had two scenarios here, and it seems like price came back up, and then the overall sentiment, we knew that it was eventually going to come back down. However, I haven't been following through yet with NASDAQ, but we know that we were kind of in this range. Okay, the highs of the range above here, then the lows down over here, but overall it was consolidating. It was ranging for quite some time. Okay, where am I seeing NASDAQ going now? Well, clearly we've broken below this level of structure. You can see exactly as expected and anticipated. Right now, what I'm looking at here for the 4-hour time frame, we could see NAS. I could see it keep going a little bit further down, probably around these lows over here. Okay, it's got a little bit more juice, maybe even potentially down here, but I'd say around this level here is my kind of target area for NASDAQ. And if we do get price come down here, we are definitely oversold at this point. I think like I said, it still has a little bit more juice. If we break below here on the 4-hour time frame, if we continue to break below, because this is also another level here. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, okay, I'm gonna point out another level where it's stopping out right now. It's stopping out at this level right now. Hold on, not this level. This level right here, where price is retesting right now. That's a level right there. Okay. If we see some sort of rejection here, I could anticipate NASDAQ to actually do something like this. So it may kind of come back up here. Okay. do a slight little pullback, and then come push back up, okay, and retest these highs. There needs to be an exhaustion after this entire sellout here. Okay, look how price went all the way from this high all the way down here. There needs to be a pullback. There needs to be an exhaustion, guys. Okay, we're definitely oversold. So we can anticipate a small little push, maybe a little retracement, and then it may come back up midway to this mid-level high here at the resistance area, okay? So that's what I'm looking at for NASDAQ overall, okay? We could see it maybe go down a little bit further, but I don't see it going all the way down here just yet because it may actually reject this level here first, okay? But we'll kind of work with what we have, guys, okay? That's kind of what I'm looking at there for NASDAQ, guys. Okay. Awesome, guys. Did you guys understand that? Yes, good. Okay. Perfect. Let me know, guys, in the chat box below if you understood that explanation. Okay, let me know in the chat box below, guys. Perfect. Awesome. Welcome to all of our new members that are tuning in. Beautiful, guys. All the links are in the video description below or tagged at the top of the chat box, okay? Guys, let me know what is your most favorite pair that you enjoy trading and why. Let me know in the chat box below what that pair is, guys. Okay. Yeah, I don't really. Euro JPY. Okay, so these are pairs I don't usually trade, but let's see if there's any opportunities here. Wait for this thing to load here. Okay, there we go. Got some JPY news here. Daily. Okay, awesome. Look at that. We failed to break above. When it came back up to this level support, we were anticipating a push to the upside. We failed, and it seems like it pushed below here, this level. So we're no longer trending to the upside. However, we could just be shifting into range here. Yeah. Could be pulling back up. We may see a retracement here. We're definitely oversold, so we could see some sort of a potential retracement here. Could be a good, probably quick buy opportunity. Obviously, managing your risk. Oh, this dropped crazy, guys. This candle closes bullish. We could look for a nice clean buy opportunity here. Keep in mind, price may come back down and create maybe like a double bottom or something like that, but just keep that in mind. Welcome, guys. Welcome to our new members. Let's go. see a couple new members joining in, a couple new members subscribing, guys. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell and click all notifications, guys. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on post. That way you're always in the know. Okay. Let's continue on here, guys. Yeah, so we'll reference back. That's kind of what I'm looking at there. Euro JPY. I mean, it's not really just trading price exhausting. May consolidate for a bit before it actually. We're definitely oversold here for sure. What's going on here, Gbpusd? So this is a weekly resistance area. So we could anticipate one or two things happen here. We could anticipate price to retest this high once more before it goes down all the way back down. Before it pulls back, essentially. Something like that. Yeah, could be something like that for sure. But we can definitely anticipate some sort of a pullback eventually. All right, guys, I think that's pretty much it. It's really quiet. The holidays are coming in and I'm just here to help you guys out, but it's getting late here anyways, so that's kind of all I've got really. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to let me know in all the videos, guys. Just comment below, don't be shy. I do read every single comment, okay? And guys, join in on our free Telegram group, guys. Make sure you guys click the link. And all the links are in the video description below, guys. And follow me on all my socials at official Pedro FX. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate you all very much, guys. And as you guys know, guys, welcome to La Familia. And, you know, I look forward to 2023. Lots of things coming in the works, guys. So I look forward to, you know, helping you guys in your trading journey, helping you guys level up. And, you know, trying to share you guys this knowledge that it's been 6 years, man. It's been 6 years going hard at it. And you know what I mean? I look back and I'm like, you know, there's no regrets for sure. You know what I mean? It's been a blessing. It's a skill set that sticks forever, guys, wherever you go. You know what I mean? As long as you have an internet connection, a laptop, you know what I mean? This knowledge, once you have this knowledge, guys, no one can take away that. You know what I mean? And it's the blessing, guys. We're blessed enough to be able to even have an internet connection, have a computer to be watching this live stream right now. So yeah, guys, like, just wanted to let you guys know that how fortunate we are, and you know, the opportunity that you have to be able to change your situation. Okay. Okay, guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much, guys. I will catch you until next time. Bye for now.